High ping can severely affect your gaming experience in PUBG. This guide will help you optimize your connection for a smoother gameplay experience. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Use an online speed test to check your current internet speed and ping. Ensure you have a stable connection with sufficient bandwidth for gaming. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Connect your gaming device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. Wired connections are generally more stable and provide lower latency compared to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching PUBG, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online activities. Step 4. Change server region. In PUBG, go to the settings and select a server region closer to your location. Playing on a server that is geographically closer can reduce ping and improve connection quality. Step 5. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service OS to prioritize gaming traffic. Additionally, ensure your router firmware is up to date for optimal performance. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce high ping and enhance your PUBG gaming experience. Enjoy your game.